Hello, Room 12 botanists. Last week we looked at a lot of different seeds and talked about how there's a baby plant inside of every seed. This week we're going to look inside a seed and see that baby plant. I have a picture over here of a bean seed. Bean seeds are pretty big, so we can take it apart and see what's inside. This is the bean seed, and it has a coat on. The outside of it is a coat that protects it, just like a coat would protect you on a cold day. So here's the coat, and inside of that seed is a baby plant. Here is the root, here is the leaf, and that can turn into a whole big bean plant. I'm going to show you on my flannel board here, which teachers don't use anymore, but I used to use a lot, and I loved how I could show people things on it. This is going to be my soil. I'm going to pretend to plant a bean seed in here. Here's my bean seed. Here is the seed coat. I'm taking it off. I'm going to open up the seed, and inside is the root and the leaf. That's going to turn into a root and a leaf when it starts growing. Put it back like that for a minute. We have to water it. Maybe for several days we'll have to water it before it starts to turn into a plant. And eventually that root inside of the plant now looks like that, and this little shoot is up above the soil like that. It grows and grows for a few more days. We water it, and the sun helps it grow. Here's the sun. And finally, the plant becomes like that. Here are bigger roots. They suck up the water that the plant needs to grow. Here are the seed leaves. The seed leaves are the big things there. They have food for the plant inside, and they help the plant get a good start. The plant grows some more and develops some more leaves, some leaves. Here are more leaves. By this time, the plant does not need these seed leaves anymore, and they dry up and fall off. The bean plant grows. Sun, air, water, and soil help it grow and make it green. Some flowers come out on the plant. And after a week or two, some little green things come out of the flowers. There's another one. It continues to grow until the flowers fall off. And when the flowers fall off, these are the pods, actually, these dark green things. It gets green seed pods on it, like this. And inside of this pod are seeds. This is a green bean, the kind you eat, or a farmer could take the seeds out and dry them, and you could plant them and get a whole new bean plant. Now I'm going to show you a couple more things here. I am going to bring Mrs. Lion some seeds like this. I soaked this in water, and to make it soft so we could open it up, here's the one soaked in water, and here is a bean plant that wasn't soaked in water. You can see it's smaller. This one's bigger because it has water inside, and hopefully we can open it up and find a baby plant inside. Here is this seed that I soaked in water. I'm going to try to open this up, and we'll see if we can see a baby plant inside. It doesn't always work. I'm taking off the seed coat now. You're going to be doing this very same thing. I'm taking off the seed coat. Oh boy, this is a good one. Okay, here's the seed coat. Put it down. I'm going to open up the two seed leaves. the 2 seed leaves. Oh, and here inside, here are the 2 seed leaves. Inside of these 2 seed leaves is the baby plant. I don't know whether you can see it. It's right here. And I'm going to try to take it out of here without having it break in two. Sometimes the root and the leaf break apart, but maybe I can, oh, I did it. Yay. Here's the whole thing. The root, and here's the root, here's the baby leaf. This is going to grow, or it won't grow because I took it apart. But if we planted this, it would grow into a bean plant. Isn't that amazing? The baby plant is inside. You are going to open up some bean seeds, and I hope you're going to find a baby bean plant inside. I have something else to show you. I planted some bean seeds on the side of plastic cups here so that you could see how the roots grow. And it's coming up now. Here are the seed leaves. The plant doesn't need them anymore. They're going to dry up and fall off. These are called the true leaves, the ones that are going to be part of the plant. And there are 2 plants here. A little shoot is growing up here. I think maybe a leaf and maybe even a flower might grow out of there. You are going to have some seeds like this to grow and watch how the roots come out and the stem comes up. You're going to have these at school. I'm going to bring them to Mrs. Lyon. So happy bean plant growing, and I hope you find baby plants inside of those bean seeds. Goodbye for now, Room 12 botanists. Bye.